What is good? What is good, everybody? It's your boy Cody back with another video. I know most of you are new to the channel, probably all of you don't have many subscribers, but today, well, first off, before we get into the video, my hair and my beard is a mess, so I'm about to go get a haircut because, you know, I've been rocking no haircut, no beard cut for a while because of all the, you know, the shit going on in the world. But we're gonna fix that today because it's getting out of hand. But I'm gonna check in with you guys after I get my haircut, let you know what's going on in the video and the future plans for the channel and the Mustang. So I'm in the daily right now. Alright, now that I'm not looking like a caveman, we can get back to talking about this video. I'm going to be installing a LED third brake light on my Mustang. You know, it's a simple video, and forgive me for sniffling a bunch in the video because my allergies are terrible. This was recorded a while ago, so that's what this video is about. But as far as like this channel's future, I'm definitely going to be building this Mustang up a lot more. I have boost on the way. I'm getting new wheels in like a day or two. I think it should be here. It's Saturday right now. They should be here Monday, I believe. So, you know, new wheels come in. I have boost ordered. I'm doing a lot of suspension upgrades too. I got a tubular K member. So, you know, if you guys want to see this build progress, and, you know, I'm going to be having videos of me like installing it. They probably won't be like detailed install videos. There'll be more of like time lapse of me installing it, and because, you know, there's already plenty of videos out there of installing all this stuff, and I don't, you know, want to make any more when there's plenty of them out there. Like, so it'll be just more time lapsey, and if I run into issues and like figure stuff out, I'll let you guys know. But as far as like, I got oil pump gears that I'm replacing and the crank sprocket, since I'm going to be running boost now, and then I'm gonna have to get a return style fuel system here eventually. So I'm gonna be like making videos for all this. So if you guys want to see the build, you know, please subscribe, comment, like, and turn on the notifications. I'm going to be installing, can't even speak. Today I'm going to be installing the, what's it called? Morimoto third brake light on my 2013 Mustang. Because as you can see, this one is just, tried to restore it. It's just gone. It's terrible. Plus it's not even LED like the taillights and all that. So I got this in today. Show you what it is. It's right here, and it is super nice. So I'm gonna start install process of this. It should be simple. To get to the third brake light, there is a bunch of little just pull clips right here, so for sure need to remove 1, 2, thinking 3, 4, maybe 5, 6 to get to it. You don't have to remove the whole thing. So I'm gonna get these out real quick and then I'll update you. I'm just using a flathead, a pry tool. So yeah, I'm gonna get these out and then update you with what I find, what size the bolts are and everything. So yeah, give me a second. Okay, so like I said, I just removed the 4, just 1, 2, 3, and 4. And there's a little harness that just unclips right there. And then there's 3 Phillips. So 1, 2, and 3. And then you just push it out. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna go grab a Phillips real quick and get to it. Okay, so I got the old one out. Super simple. They're just 3 plastic Phillips that you just, when you get loose, you just pop them out like any pop clip. They're just Phillips, and then it just slides out this way. Super easy. So I'm gonna figure out how to
I'm guessing we have to put the new harness on that one, or the old harness on the new one, so I'm gonna do that real quick. Okay, so I got it installed and all buttoned up. Pretty easy. Looks great. Actually goes with the car now, especially with the aerodynamic side markers. And I went with the Morimoto because the Raxum and I forget what other company I've read interfere with your radio, so this one doesn't. And it looks super nice too, so I'm gonna turn it on and see what it looks like. Hi, Bandit. Oh, yup. That shit's clean.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Hit it one more time. Yup, that's clean. So that is the installation of the Morimoto smoke third brake light. It's really, really good looking. A lot better than the stock red one. They do have a red option that looks like stock a little bit, but it's still LED. You know, a lot better than the stock one that's just normal bulb in there. And you do not have to take the old harness off, because this one's just plug and play. Should have read, but you know, it matches really well with the tail lights. And like I said, the Diodynamics smoked LED lights. So plus I've been needing to replace this because mine was just, as you could see, it was just terrible looking, terrible condition. And instead of buying a stock one, I figured why not get the Morimoto one that looks really good. In my opinion, it's amazing. Couldn't ask for it to be better, but yeah. You know, if you want the red one to keep it like stock looking but with the LED, you could get that. I think it's $25 cheaper than this one. I think the red one's $100 and this one's $125, but I got this one for $100 from the Retrofit, I think it's called. Forget. I think that's the website I got it. But tomorrow I'm going to be tearing this whole back bumper off, so I'll show you how to do that because I got something coming in for the bumper. It's gonna make this back end of this car look a lot better. So yeah, I'm gonna get this video up for you guys, and then tomorrow I'm gonna start the tear down of the back bumper. I'll show you how to get it off, and then what else I'm doing to it. So stay tuned for that, and you know, always keep a positive state of mind, man.